Large format printing in the industrial sector has always been challenging. As well as operating 24/7 in hot, dusty environments, the perfect coding solution needs to print high-resolution codes, including impactful logos and brand identity at very high speeds, often exceeding 100 meters per minute. Until now, industrial printers have often compromised on one of these things, trading print quality and resolution for reliability or speed. Typically, a printer's capability to print at high resolution onto plasterboard, timber, and other construction materials will be compromised as the speed of the production line increases. The print becomes less opaque than is ideal, and the opportunity for effective branding is missed. Alternatively, a low-resolution printing technology may maintain the clarity of its print at high speeds, but will not have the resolution to achieve high-quality logos or to print machine-readable codes. The Domino Cx350i industrial printer provides the ability to create large format codes without compromising on print resolution, print quality, and speed. It has been built on a foundation of high reliability and delivers market-leading print quality, usability, and connectivity. It can print any combination of text, logos, and 1D and 2D barcodes. And multiple print heads can be combined to create larger print areas. Importantly, the printer's ability to maintain clarity at high speeds helps to assure that barcodes are readable and logos are crisp and clear.
We set out to design inks specifically for use in the Cx350i, ensuring the printer and its inks are perfectly matched. The inks are formulated using vegetable oils, which contribute to the production of sustainable oils. They are non-hazardous and environmentally responsible. There are settings in the printer to reduce ink usage in the part of the code that do not need to be as prominent as others, ensuring no ink is wasted. Although third-party inks may look the same in the bottle, they will behave quite differently in the printer and will compromise printer performance. That's why it's really important to use genuine Domino inks.
Manufacturing building materials such as plasterboard is a continuous high-speed process, usually taking the whole length of vast production lines. This can make the lines harder to monitor. The Cx350i can be fitted with a Domino Cloud interface unit. We call it a DCI, which allows you to remotely monitor the printer and its performance 24/7 via online Domino Cloud dashboards. These give our customers production and maintenance information, like OEE, which can help customers drive efficiencies in their production line and avoid unplanned downtime. In the unlikely event of a problem, it also allows our technical support teams to remotely support you to get the printer back up and running promptly.
We understand that the content and quality of codes is important to ensure that customers can identify the right grade of board and that it matches brand expectations. Regular manual checks are time-consuming and can be ineffective for preventing scrap. Domino's R-Series cameras can check each code in real time, even at high speed, and if network can be viewed remotely for peace of mind, reducing scrap, improving quality, and creating time for more valuable tasks.
Whether you're printing barcodes, product descriptions, or logos onto sawn timber, plywood sheets, or plasterboard, the Cx350i industrial printer delivers codes without compromise. So, the next time you see your product at a builder's merchant, on a production site, or even a TV show, and you're not happy with the print quality, contact Domino to discuss how the Cx350i industrial printer can help you.